People who have ulcers on the stomach and duodenum are recommended elixir of greater plantain, Plantago major. It is prepared by grinding 500 grams of fresh and well-washed greater plantain leaves in a meat grinder or blender. Mix the ground leaves and juice with a kilogram of raw honey and 50 grams of chopped propolis resin. The contents are mixed well and left to stand for 3 days, occasionally stirring with a wooden or plastic spoon. After 3 days, the elixir is taken 3 times a day, 1 teaspoon, exclusively wooden or plastic to avoid oxidation, about 30 minutes before a meal. It is also recommended for respiratory diseases, bronchitis and pneumonia. It is also of great benefit to smokers. In addition to the elixir, you should drink a cup of tea every morning and evening, which is prepared from 100 grams of St. John's wort, Hypericum perforatum, and 50 grams of Acorus, Acorus calamus. Licorice root, Glycyrrhiza glabra. The plants are mixed, and then they take 2 teaspoons and pour 2.5 deciliters of hot water over them. Leave it to stand for half an hour, then strain it and drink it in small sips, before eating in the morning and before going to bed in the evening. While taking the medicine, you should avoid alcohol, overcooked cheeses, chocolate and coffee.